Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wave Accounting for real estate bookkeeping setup. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Navigate to the Wave Accounting website. Click on the sign up button located on the home page. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a secure password that meets the specified requirements. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Choose your preferred currency from the options available. Click the Create Your Account button to proceed. Check your email for a verification link from Wave. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Wave website to log in. Fill in your business details, including your business name and industry. Since you're setting up for real estate bookkeeping, choose real estate from the industry options. Indicate whether you operate as a sole proprietor or a business entity. Provide any additional information requested about your business structure. Next, set up your chart of accounts relevant to real estate transactions. Include accounts for income, expenses, assets, and liabilities related to real estate. Specify account names that clearly represent their purpose. Once completed, review your entries for accuracy. Then, navigate to the Transactions tab. Start adding transactions by clicking the Add a Transaction button. Select the type of transaction, such as income or expense. Fill in the details like date, amount, and descriptions for clarity. To manage properties, go to the Sales and Expenses categories. Record income from property sales and rent collection here. Enter expenses related to property management and maintenance. Use the Reports tab to generate financial statements. Review the balance sheet and income statement to monitor your financials. Explore additional features like invoicing and receipts as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.